Alright, this is April 30th, Wednesday, about 12 noon, and I'm at BB.Q Chicken at Kahala Market. Yeah, so kind of like looking around. Yeah, right here, Kahala Market with the parking structure right on Kahala area. And there's a Kahala Market by Foodland. Yeah, and right here, BB.Q Chicken. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so decided, okay, is it open? Yeah. Gonna have my lunch over here. Alright, so, wow. Okay, so, kind of taking a look. What do I want to have? Menu, side sauce, okay, poke boki, whole chicken, not whole chicken, drinks, half, chicken sandwich, wings and panolas. Ooh. Okay, so mini wing plate, full wing plate, mini boneless plate, full boneless. Okay, so so I think the one at Aiea, I did the tteokbokki. So over here, I want to do the hot spicy chicken. How many pieces do you get? Okay. Choose your favorite flavor. So now for fries upgrade. Okay, so how many chicken do you get? 3 pieces. So I'm gonna get the mini wing plate. Yeah, and that's a $12.99 right there. Mini wing plate. Yeah, there's a reason. Okay, so waiting for my turn to order. Okay, so right here. Then okay, so alright, here we go. So what I ended up paying for Wings of Fire, $12.99 with tax, came out to $13.80 total. Right? So anyways, the food came out, and let me set the camera. Alright, here we go. My food for the day. And I gave my auntie a ride, and she made me 2 musubi, so I go, wow, okay. She knows I like musubi. So here we got this and coleslaw. Ooh. Oh, it even comes with the mandu. Right here. Here's the mandu. And looking at this, oh, there's 4 pieces. So let's have a bite. Oh, this is Wings of Fire. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it. Wow, it is spicy and it is hot. Two scoops of rice. Wow. taco musubi at the same time. Okay, there we go. Egg and fan musubi. It's good. Yeah, so they have a seating inside and also right outside, so I'm eating right outside. Wow. Oh no, musubi falling apart. The chicken is really spicy. It is good. And the musubi also. Here's my the musubi. And yep, this one also has spam, egg, and rice. Wow, the chicken is really spicy. Really good. Try the mandu. Mango is really good. They make it very crispy and chewy. Wow. The spice is really kicking in. Wow. Got one more left. Whew. Yeah, I think it's good that I didn't order the full 9 pieces. It's a lot and very spicy. coleslaw really goes good with this. All right. I got to eat all the chicken without getting any sauce on my finger. Well, I'm gonna save the rice. It's just I already had enough white rice with the musubi. You know, if I didn't have any musubi, then this would have been just exact amount, just right for the rice part. This coleslaw is really good. Wow. Oh, I gotta say, that was a good meal. Got a slight breeze. And that was very good. Thank you for watching.